Now we are starting the exercise 1.2 of chapter 1, real numbers. The first question is prove that under root 5 is irrational. Solution of the question is, if possible, let us assume that under root 5 is rational. Then we can write under root 5 as a upon b, because rational numbers are in a by b form, where a and b are co-prime and b denominator is not equal to 0. So now under root 5 is equal to a over b, squaring on both sides we get 5 under root square is equal to a over b square. So under root with square is cancelled, so it becomes 5 is equal to a square over b square, which we can write b square multiplied by 5b square is equal to a square. So a square is equal to 5b square, noting it as equation 1. Now 5 is divided by a square. If 5 is divided by a square, then 5 is divided by a. Now let a is equal to 5c. So squaring a square is equal to 5c square, it becomes a square is equal to 25c square. We know that using 1 a square we have calculated 5b square is equal to 25c square. So b square comes out to be 25 divided by 5, c square is equal to 5c square. So 5 is divided by b square, 5 is divided by b. So 5 is a common multiple of a and b. So 5 is a common multiple of a and b. This is a contradiction. Is a contradiction mean against the assumption, since a and b are co-prime. Since the contradiction arises by assuming under root 5 is rational, because we have assumed 5 under root as rational, so under root 5 is rational. So under root 5 is irrational. So this is the proof of the first question of the exercise 1.2. Now the second question is, prove that 3 plus 2 under root 5 is irrational. Similar to the first question, the solution of this question is, if possible, let 3 plus 2 under root 5 be rational. Then 3 plus 2 under root 5 is rational. Three is rational. 3 plus 2 under root 5 is a rational. Means we can write it as difference of two rational number is always rational. So 2 under root 5 is rational. 1/2 multiplied by 2 under root 5 is rational, because the product of two rational number is always rational. So under root 5 is rational. This contradicts the fact that under root 5 is irrational. Contradicts mean negates. Since the contradiction arises by assuming that 3 plus 2 under root 5 is rational. So 3 plus 2 under root 5 is rational. So this is the solution of the second question. Now the question third is, prove that the following are irrationals. First part of the question is 1 divided by under root 2. So solution of the question is 1 divided by under root 2. Rationalizing this step, multiply it by under root 2 and divide by it under root 2. So it becomes 2 under root divided by 2 under root 2 multiplied by 2 under root 2 becomes 2. So this is 1. If possible, let 1 divided by under root 2 be rational. Then from 1 under root 2 divided by 2 is rational. Now 2 is rational. 2 under root divided by 2 is rational. 2 multiplied under root 2 divided by 2 is rational. So under root 2, because 2 cancelled 2, under root 2 is rational. This under 2, this contradicts the fact that under 2 is irrational, since the contradiction arises by assuming that 1 divided by under 2 is rational, so 1 by under 2 is irrational. So this is the solution of the first part. Now the second part of the third question, that is 7 under 5. We have to prove that whether it is rational. So if possible, let 7 under 5 is equal to a over b, where a and b are positive integers having no common factor other than 1, that is co-prime. Then 7 under 5 is equal to a over b, or we can write taking 7 to other side, so it becomes under 5 is equal to a over 7b, since a and 7b right terms integers are non-zero integers, so a divided by 7b is rational. Thus from this is 1, from 1 it follows under 5 is rational. This contradicts the fact that under 5 is irrational. Since the contradiction arises by assuming that 7 under 5 is rational, so 7 under 5 is rational. So this is the second part of the third question. The last question means third part of the third question of exercise 1.2 is 6 plus under root 2. We have to prove whether it is rational or not. If possible, let 6 plus under 2 be rational, means we have assumed it rational instead of irrational. So then 6 plus under 2 is rational, that is 6 is rational. 6 plus under 2 minus 6 is rational because difference of two rational numbers is rational. So under 2 is rational. This contradicts the fact that under 2 is irrational. So the assumption, because we had taken other assumption, so this contradicts the assumption. So since the contradiction arises by assuming that 6 plus under 2 is rational, because the contradiction negation arises because we have assumed 6 plus 2 under root as rational instead of irrational. So our assumption is wrong. Hence 6 plus under root 2 is rational. So this is the end of the chapter 1.2 exercise, and with this we have completed the chapter first, real numbers. Thanks for watching. If you are having any doubt, you can comment us.